Hey there, viewers. I'm sure almost everyone has had a tough time dealing with a sore throat. It's dry, scratchy, or itchy feeling in the throat. Virus or bacteria are some of the most common reasons for a sore throat, and it results in approximately 13 million visits to the doctor every year. In this video, we will discuss types of sore throat and some natural remedies that you can do at home to get rid of your sore throat. Additionally, we will share some precautions to prevent worsening of this condition. If you are new to our channel, then please hit subscribe as it means a lot to us. Sore throat is caused by outdoor pollution, bacteria, allergy, viruses, and some other factors. It is crucial to identify the nature of sore throat. There are several types of sore throats which can be classified based on their underlying cause. Some of the most common types include viral sore throat. This is the most common type of sore throat and is caused by a viral infection such as common cold or flu. Bacterial sore throat. This type of sore throat is caused by bacterial infection such as strep throat. Allergic sore throat. An allergic reaction to allergens such as pollen, dust, or pet dander can cause a sore throat. Environmental sore throat. Exposure to environmental irritants such as smoke, pollution, or dry air can also cause a sore throat. Acid reflux sore throat. Acid reflux, a condition in which stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, can also cause a sore throat. Trauma sore throat. Injury or trauma to the throat, such as from swallowing something sharp or hot, can also cause a sore throat. Bacterial sore throat is called strep throat. The cause of strep throat is Streptococcus bacteria. Normally, strep throat causes sudden fever but no cough, whereas viral sore throat is caused due to virus and symptoms get visible more gradually. Viral sore throat results in cough, runny nose, hoarseness, and pink eye. You will see a fever more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit in strep throat and red swollen tonsils and white patches. Now let's look at some natural home remedies for a sore throat. Salt water. Saltwater gargles can help to ease symptoms of sore throat by reducing inflammation and loosening mucus or phlegm that may be causing irritation. The salt in the water draws out excess fluids from the swollen and inflamed tissue in the throat, which can help to reduce the pain and discomfort associated with the sore throat. Additionally, the warm water used in the gargles can help to soothe the throat and provide some temporary relief from the discomfort. To prepare saltwater gargles, dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of water, gargle with this solution for 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Repeat several times a day as needed. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a popular herbal remedy that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including sore throat. Chamomile contains several compounds such as bisphenol and camzoline that have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and soothing properties, which can help to ease the symptoms of sore throat. Antimicrobial properties can help to fight off bacteria or viruses that may be causing the sore throat. To prepare chamomile tea for a sore throat, steep 1 to 2 tablespoons of chamomile flower in a cup of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired, and drink the tea while it is still warm. Please comment and tell us what is your go-to solution when you get a sore throat. Lozenges. Lozenges are small medicated tablets that dissolve slowly in the mouth. They can be used to relieve symptoms of sore throat by providing a soothing and lubricating effect that can help to reduce pain, inflammation, and irritation in the throat. Chewable lozenges are typically based on glycerinate gelatin, which is a base of glycerine, gelatin, and water. This base can be mixed with drug, acacia, and a suitable flavoring and sweetening agent. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener and a popular home remedy for sore throat. Honey has smooth texture and can provide soothing effect on the throat, which can help to reduce pain and irritation. Honey can help to keep the throat moisturized, which can prevent dryness and irritation that can exacerbate sore throat symptoms. To use honey for a sore throat, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey with a cup of warm water or tea and drink it slowly. Honey can also be added to chamomile tea, lemon water, or ginger tea for additional benefits. Stay hydrated. We all know how hard it is to swallow anything in a sore throat. Drinking fluids can help to thin mucus and phlegm in the throat, making it easier to swallow and reducing the need to cough. It is recommended to drink plenty of fluids when experiencing sore throat, especially warm liquids like water, tea, or soup, as they can help to soothe the throat and provide relief. Drinking fluids, especially warm fluids like water, tea, or soup, can help to soothe the sore throat and alleviate pain and discomfort. Hydration can help to keep the throat moist, prevent dryness and irritation that can exacerbate sore throat symptoms. Lemon water. Lemon water is a popular home remedy for sore throat. Lemons are also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. which can help to boost the immune system and fight off infection. To make lemon water for a sore throat, squeeze the lemon into a cup of warm water and stir well. You can also add honey to the mixture for additional benefits. It is important to note the lemon water should not be too hot, as this can irritate the throat further. Additionally, people with acid reflux, gastroesophageal reflux disease may need to avoid lemon water, as it can exacerbate these conditions. If you have sore throat, it is important to take precautions to prevent the spread of infection and avoid further irritation of the throat. Here are some precautions to keep in mind. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently and cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing to prevent the spread of infection. Avoid irritants. Avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke, as well as other irritants such as pollution, chemicals, and dry air, as these can exacerbate sore throat symptoms. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids, especially warm fluids like water, tea, or soup, to keep the throat moist and prevent dryness and irritation. Rest your voice. Avoid speaking loudly or shouting, as this can strain the vocal cords and make the sore throat worse. Avoid spicy or acidic foods. These can irritate the throat and make sore throat symptoms worse. Seek medical attention if necessary. If your sore throat is severe, accompanied by high fever, difficulty breathing, or swallowing, or lasts for more than a few days, it is important to seek medical attention, as it may be a sign of more serious condition that requires treatment. By taking these precautions, you can help to alleviate the symptoms of sore throat and prevent further irritation or infection. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe for more videos like these.